Impatiens Balsamina. Red variety. Mother plant. Collecting the seeds from mother plant. Impatiens Balsamina seeds. Sow seeds directly into your planter pot. After sowing Impatiens Balsamina seeds, I give them a very light sprinkle of water. Impatiens Balsamina seeds start to germinate. This is what Impatiens Balsamina cotyledon look like. Impatiens Balsamina seeds usually germinate between day 3 to day 7. Success germination rate depend on seeds quality, seed age, moisture, light and temperature. Impatiens Balsamina true leaf start to emerge. You also could start Impatiens Balsamina seeds indoors and transplant later. Container size I use to grow Impatiens Balsamina: height 45 cm, width 40 cm. Please make sure your container have good drainage. Waterlogged container will promote root rot. Soil I use for growing Impatiens Balsamina: cocoa peat, red burn soil, micro, fine sand, old humus and charcoal. Soil pH for growing Impatiens Balsamina: 6.5 to 7.5 pH. My soil pH, when I try to grow Impatiens Balsamina, are about 7 pH. Impatiens Balsamina can also be grown in sandy, loamy and even clay soil, but thrive in soil that contain high level of organic matter. It is also helpful to add a slow release, all-purpose fertilizer into the potting soil before planting. I only fertilized my Impatiens Balsamina once during this season. My average water usage for Impatiens Balsamina seedling are about 200 milliliters. I water my plant every morning every day. If raining, I do not water my plant. When plants start to establish, my average water usage is about 800 milliliters per day at full sun location. Your water usage may be varies than mine. Water usage depend on container size, container type, weather and climate you live in. Just don't let soil become too soggy. To me it's easier to overwater than underwater your plant. When established, Impatiens Balsamina is drought-tolerant plants. Impatiens Balsamina requires full sun to thrive. Impatiens Balsamina need at least 6 to 8 hours of full sun to thrive. Impatiens Balsamina can also be grown in partial shade. Since Impatiens Balsamina loves warm and sun, my suggestion to grow them at sunny location. My average maximum daily temperature when growing Impatiens Balsamina are around 32 degrees Celsius. My average minimum daily temperature when growing Impatiens Balsamina are around 23 degrees Celsius. I grow Impatiens Balsamina in tropical climate. Impatiens Balsamina is annual flower plant. Impatiens balsamina is propagated by seeds. Impatiens balsamina is from Balsaminaceae family. Impatiens balsamina is native in India, China and Southeast Asia. Average height for Impatiens balsamina are about 30 cm to 60 cm. Since I put so many Impatiens balsamina seeds in this container, it will not grow as tall as its mother plant. Impatiens balsamina come with pink, rose, red, purple, white and bicolor color. Impatiens balsamina is low-maintenance plant to maintain. I don't encounter any plant diseases when growing Impatiens balsamina. Impatiens balsamina first flower emerge. More Impatiens balsamina flower start to emerge. I also don't encounter any plant pest when growing Impatiens balsamina. Impatiens balsamina plants can be used for borders and edging along walks or paths. To me, on average, Impatiens balsamina bloom will last about 60 days before they start to lose their flower. Impatiens balsamina continues bloom will last longer if you protect their flower from heavy rain. Also, when watering, water the soil, not the plant. A dye is obtained from the flowers and leaves from Impatiens balsamina, can be used for dyeing fingernails and toenails. In some places, Impatiens balsamina is considered invasive species. Since Impatiens balsamina highly adaptable to different types of environment, pollinators come to visit. So check your local authority before planting them. Thank you for watching.